Alright, so I got replacement wheels, so yay! These ones are from Bunnings. They are these. They were $8 something each, and yeah. And then the locking things, I got these from a mower store, so you hit them on this way and it flares out, and then they can't go backwards, so it'll stay. Yeah, so it'll stay on. So this is half inch. So yeah, I'm gonna unwrap and put it on. When it's time to put these on, you'll put them on in this orientation, so they flare that way. And then to actually put them on, use a socket, so like so, and then tap them on nicely. It's two-handed jobs, so bear with me, I'll be back. So yeah, this partially just tacked it on. I need a bit of a larger socket to make it go on nicely, but yeah, I'll grab that and let's put it on all the way. Alright, so here's the wheels in the on position. So they're on quite nicely, we get the whole deck. Now before someone says you can't get this on, it's because that's in the most highest position right now. So yeah, you just got to put that on when the deck's slightly lower. Anyways, time to give it a test drive. Yeah, it cut out there because you know, it's on a really low setting on tallish grass, and probably didn't have it all the way on fast. Yeah, that's probably it. But when you start it, have that disconnected, it starts better. So yeah, it's not bad. Cuts pretty well. It looks, yeah, quite good, I think. And yeah, so all good. Now I've got to do some more stuff, mower and trailer stuff. But I hope you guys have enjoyed and this has been useful for somebody. Yeah, I'd like to paint them yellow or something so they match, but yeah, we'll see how we go. So they're definitely on the ground. Yeah, they move with. So yeah, alright, thanks guys for watching. Check out the next ones.